Hey guys, CFL-TECH back with an update from CFL-TECH, and this is in regards to the big news on the carriage dispute. Now, you may know this by now if you're a DirecTV customer, that you see the channels back on that were off since July 2nd, so over 2 months. Looks like Nexstar and DirecTV have come to a temporary carriage agreement, and they're working out the details on a long-term deal. So this is some good news for the customers that have lost 159 Nexstar-owned channels. We've been covering this story for a couple of months now, and this is the best update we've had, and some good news. So you get your channels back on. We don't know anything about increases yet. Hopefully there's minimal damage with this deal that's coming, so we'll see what happens. But some good news. We did report on this earlier today on the community tab on the YouTube channel. So good news for the people who want NFL games, and some news and local stations. So that's all back on, at least right now. So we'll see what happens with the long-term deal. This is from the desk.net. This media news story is from the desk.net. We'll link it down below. Just a quick update. Some good news on this carriage dispute between Nexstar and DirecTV. So hopefully this will be a long-term deal when they do iron it out, and they'll have it for a while where you don't have to worry about channels going dark again, at least until the possible next disagreement. But hopefully that's a little bit down the road yet. But let's get this ironed out. It looks like they will. Again, this was too costly to keep going on with the NFL season now in the second week. So definitely starting to hurt. And we said that in the last video and a couple of videos that this can't go on for too long. They did it in July. They knew it was a couple of months before football, and they did pretty much take up the whole 2 months period and a couple of weeks in football. Well, actually, they went on today. So during the second week, they actually went on. So it was really only 1 week of lost NFL games for a lot of the customers, millions of customers. So good news here. Just want to report that. Hopefully everybody's doing great. CFL-TECH will be checking out this one soon to be back with another. Take care.